During the early morning hours of May 30th, 2014, 10-year veteran of the Indianapolis Metro Police Department, Officer Greg Milburn, responded to a domestic disturbance call. After he arrived, the situation escalated. Shots rang out.
7-Eleven.
Girl been hit.
145's been hit. Cars will start. 2200 Dearborn.
Be advised, the vest did catch the round, so he's in good condition.
After being shot, I was actually more surprised that it wasn't more painful than it was. I was hit at fairly close range with a handgun, but I was still able to function, carry out what I needed to do to keep myself alive and to deal with the situation. And that's goes to point blank in their best. It's not just about keeping you alive, it's keeping you in the fight.
The suspect told us to get off his property. I told him I need to see his hand. And then the gun came out, pointing at me, and I felt a poke on my chest. That's when I realized I got shot. Somehow I pulled out my gun and returned fire. Thank God that the point-blank ballistic vest caught the bullet. I would not survive with the amount location where we at that time.
We offer the finest solutions of body armor today to include body armor, helmets, shields, and hard armor plates. We offer the lightest, highest performing level of protection available anywhere in the world for different missions for all aspects of law enforcement and military. I've been in law enforcement over for 40 years and have found that the threats today are more dangerous and greater in number than ever before. So the men and women who protect us and our streets deserve the very best. And that's what the men and women at Point Blank Enterprises strive to do every day.
We protect and save lives. And while that may be a simple statement, it is far from simple to achieve. It takes the combination of experience, technical expertise, and total commitment to quality. Our brands are the strongest in the industry, including Point Blank Body Armor, Protective Products Enterprises, PACA Corrections, and Paraclete. And our products are chosen by a broad range of customers, from the New York Police Department and numerous departments around the country to the U.S. military, federal agencies, and ministries of defense around the world. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, combined with the Point Blank Enterprises Technology and Testing Center, give Point Blank the capability to produce and deliver the most advanced products of their kind. And with the capacity to produce over 75,000 vests each month, we can produce and deliver faster than any other company in the industry.
Our R&D and design department combine technology to make sure that we ergonomically provide the best form, fit, and function to the end user.
Our body armor systems are considered the best in the world and are a testament to the professional commitment of over 1,500 employees whose mission is to provide the highest level of customer safety and satisfaction. Offering the most NIJ 06 certified ballistic packages on the market, Point Blank meets and exceeds global testing standards with ballistic models like the Alpha Elite. The Alpha Elite is certified according to the National Institute of Justice, the FBI, the DEA, and the German SK1 standard. Initially designed for the most advanced tactical requirements, it is now available for all markets, allowing law enforcement and military personnel to wear the finest, our #1 priority. Our capabilities have also allowed us to expand our offering with other cutting-edge technology products through Point Blank's Advanced Technology Group. Point Blank's growing technology portfolio will include the remarkable Iris Cam body-worn camera, in-car video, and other wireless communications and vehicle surveillance products, tailored to meet the needs of federal, domestic, and international law enforcement personnel. At Point Blank, our ongoing commitment to those we serve has allowed us to save hundreds of lives in more than 40 years of service.
I have friends that are police officers, corrections officers, and I know they wear our products. The things that we do protects them and thousands of men and women across the country.
Working at Point Blank is more like coming to work every day with your family. We spend a lot of time together, we spend a lot of hours together, but what we get to do every day is save somebody's life. Whether somebody's sewing on a button or attaching a piece of Velcro to a vest or cutting something on our cutting table, at the end of the day, what we get to do is we get to make a life-saving product and help save a life.
I want to thank Point Blank Enterprise and all the employees, the amount of hard work they put into the products. I saw all the employees from the bottom up. I see them and the amount of time they put in to build a vest, and that vest saved my life. And without them, without their vest that day, I would not be able to come home and see my dad, my sister, my friends, and all that.
As a supervisor, I take on a lot of responsibility for my deputies, you know, and I enjoy that responsibility, but I also, you know, it's also a burden, and I'm sure glad Point Blank is there at times to help relieve that burden.
Thank you, Point Blank, for saving my life and for saving the lives of officers across this country.
At Point Blank, we design, produce, and deliver the highest quality, life-saving products in the world because we drive innovation with everything that we do.
Because there is nothing more important than the lives of those we serve. And saving lives is why we're here. It's been our single focus from the start, and it always will be.
Ed Briley, General Production Supervisor.
Shelby Carpenter, VP of Operations.
Michael Foreman, Executive Vice President.
Daniel Gaston, CEO. We
are Point Blank Enterprises.